Okay guys, welcome back to the another tutorial. In this tutorial, how to write vuejs code in the before loop. Okay, in the last tutorial, just I'm going to showing this vuejs code like that. Welcome to make series, and this number is positive like that. If else, okay. So in this tutorial, we're gonna showing to this before loop. Okay, so let's go to the code without wasting of time. Okay, this is our last tutorial code. Okay, so I'll declare some of heading tag like the h1. Okay, then inside of the heading tag I'll just simply type here b for loop. Okay, so that's it, and we're gonna showing this b for loop. Okay, so that's it. And just at first just I am going to creating this the data property and methods like that. At first just I'm gonna creating this data function like that, and here inside of the data function like that I will just type here return. Here I'm going to creating this object like that. Inside of the return, then just I will type here user, and just I'm going to creating this array function inside of this return value like that. I will cut it this and just simply type here array and id, then make sure that id1 and make sure that with comma, and here I'll use name, just I use this like that. Name, my name is, okay, then email, and here is my email name like that, deb.mashruk@gmail.com. Okay guys, so make sure that with the inside of this data properties and inverted comma use it. Okay, otherwise you'll get error message showing this. Okay guys, I'll show it what's main problem. Okay, and expected comma expected. Okay, so that is the main error like that. Use it second curly brace here and use it here. Okay, that's it, and you'll show that this code is successfully run. Okay, just simply I'll copy this line and paste it here more time like that 4 times. Okay, then simply I'll change it like that to number of 4. Okay, oh no, okay, then here I will change this name. Okay, then that's here now I'll change this ABC. Okay, and I'll change this another name like that AMR, and I'll change this AND M1. Okay, so this is the default email, but dev.mashruk@gmail.com, this is my real email address. Okay, so if you want like any inquiry information give me, then you will send this email. Okay, and to make sure that like that here comma expected, then you will use it simply comma and comma and comma, and you will remember it when you will use user then data property and you will get anything return, then obviously when you will use the array then obviously use it comma. Okay, so I hope you can understand this. So now I'm going let's just I'm come back inside of the div. Okay, just I've created is the another table like that inside of the div. Okay, just simply type here table. Okay, then I'll just I'm gonna creating tier cell. Okay, then just inside of the tier, then td one name. At first it will be id, then just simply copy this and paste it here more time. Okay, so change it here like it will be name and it will be just email. Okay, just I'm going to just in my browser and it will show that id email and id name and email. Okay, so this is okay. Just I'm gonna creating this for loop inside of the tier cell like that before. Here just you will remember this user in users. Okay, so that's it, and just here use in the just key. Okay, you can obviously must use it, and this is our main for before key binding. That's it, and user dot id. Okay, that's it, and just I'm going to in my browser and on where. Okay, so just I will refresh in my browser and it will show that here is nothing in the table. Just I will use I have used this for loop in the before loop in here inside of the table, but we cannot getting this result like that, this data property here. For that just simply and it will show that just I will come back in my just I come back in my browser, then will show that but inside of this table the before loop. Okay, so this is our before loops. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you soon in the next tutorial.